Yo, what's going on, party people? It's your guy Horace checking back in with you for the third and final time today. Um, Made a video for Bitcoin earlier, made a video for gold earlier. Now I want to do one for Tesla. Tesla is also one of my favorite charts. Um, Not a bad company either. I think it's very promising for the future, and also it presents pretty good opportunities for investors currently as well. But based on what I'm seeing from Tesla and what I've been observing for the past year or so, roughly, maybe even longer than that, because I did think a while ago that Tesla was going to push up to 600 bucks. I still have that same belief right now for the most part. It could stop a little bit below 600. And I've thought 600 was coming since maybe back in this area here. Um, it may stop a little bit below 600. I would not be surprised if that were the case. However, based on fib and form, I believe very strongly that Tesla will return to about 260 bucks sometime between Q1 and Q2 of 2026, more than likely in that Q2 timeframe. But I'm very much expecting Tesla to um, have a bit of a deep dive here. And percentage wise, going from about, let's say, 500 to about 50%, that makes sense. Sorry, that makes sense rather. Going from 5 to about 250 would be about 50%. Shouldn't have needed a measuring tool for that one. But yeah, I think Tesla looks very nice, very strong, especially from a macro perspective. But what I'm expecting to see over the next few months is a pretty deep and sharp downturn for Tesla. I know there's been a lot of or some good news for Tesla. I don't want to say a lot, maybe even better news for Elon Musk. But um, for anybody who's trading Tesla or who is considering new longs or considering their current positions in Tesla and whether they should take profit or expand their exposure or whatnot, from an Elliott wave perspective, looking at the waves dating, back into Tesla's all-time history. And I like to use the organic chart, so you'll see prices that are not in alignment with the split adjusted chart. So this is the organic structure for Tesla dating back to its initial IPO. And that's what I like to use for my analysis. And what that tells me based on structure, based on its unadulterated format, is that Tesla will most likely suffer a roughly 50% reduction in value between now and Q2 2026. So stay safe, don't drown, keep the bag secure. If you need more real-time updates on Tesla, of course, be sure to check in with me at elliottwavescience.com. All the information you need is already there for you. So I won't extend this video any longer, but until next time, stay safe, don't drown. It's your guy Horace. I'm gone. Peace.